Matt here with Weekend to the Rescue, and here are the top 5 reasons I chose an ambulance to convert into a camper. Number 1 is all the built-in storage that's already here. So I can use all these cabinets, store my firewood, my axes, my shovels. I have all my gear in this truck. All these cabinets are thick metal doors. Everything is lockable. That means I can keep everything stocked, ready to go. So all I gotta do is throw some fuel in the truck and head up the mountain. Number 2 is the option of 4-wheel drive. If you can find an ambulance with 4-wheel drive, these trucks make very capable rigs. Some people might call them the poor man's earth roamer, but you can really build these trucks out to be expedition vehicles. The 4-wheel drive allows you to get up in the high country, go where you want to go, and really enjoy your time in the mountains. And number 3 is the all aluminum construction on the box here. That means it's not going to rust out, it's going to last a very long time. Ambulances are built with the highest safety standard. They're really built to withstand rollovers. So the whole inside here is framed in with 2-inch tubing. It's really built like a roll cage. So it makes me feel very safe staying inside this thing. Number 4 is the heavy duty diesel engine. So this is the legendary Ford 7.3 diesel. It's a turbocharged V8, makes plenty of power and gets you where you need to go. And reason number 5 why I chose an ambulance to convert into a camper is 3-inch thick metal doors that are lockable. So instead of being in a flimsy little rooftop tent with some canvas, I have nice metal doors. Really protects me from any kind of wildlife or maybe say an intruder. And if you've stuck around this long, I'm going to give you a bonus one. Because this is a Ford F350 chassis, it's essentially the dually pickup chassis. That means if something breaks down on it, I can fix it myself. I don't have to hire out a mechanic. And because it's a Ford, that means parts are readily available for it across the country. So when you're traveling around, that makes it really easy in case you break down. So if you want to follow along as I convert this ambulance into a camper, be sure to subscribe and drop me a comment. Catch you guys on the next one.